Rohit Kulkarni is here with us now, Managing Director and Senior Analyst at Roth MKM Capital Partners. Good to see you, Rohit. So let's start with Snap, since we were just talking about it here. It has had 5 stinker quarters in a row in terms of the stock reaction. Some relief here. What do you think is going right? Is this a turning point for Snap?
This is exactly what this is. This is a relief that Snap isn't disappearing. Okay, that was a bad pun, but I think Snap is showing some level of resiliency, and also they probably have a little bit of extra macro tailwind helping them right now. So if you take that together, Snap has been in a whole lot of hurt since Apple changes. They have gone through a significant exec reshuffle. Jerry Hunter leaving is also another reshuffle. So almost everybody reporting to the CEO except the CFO, I think we have new people in there. So this is almost like a reborn new company that is on the cusp of a turnaround. We see that macro, no longer a headwind, is probably a good sign of relief. So we aren't jumping here into the water with Snap, but I think water is getting a little bit warmer, I would say that way.
And Rohit, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you've got a neutral on this stock. What would you have to see, Rohit, to move you off the sidelines? What do you have to see to move to a buy to get more excited? What are you looking for?
Hey, look, again, simple blocking and tackling. I think this company has revenue growth rates significantly below their larger peers. Market is growing probably 10%. Look at what Google is growing at, and maybe Facebook is going to grow 20% or higher. So Snap growing at 3% and market cheering isn't something that is exciting from a stock picking perspective for me. Plus, they are in this transition of executives, which I would give the new executives probably 3-6 months for them to settle down and figure out their real strategy and execute left foot, right foot in that way. So those are the basic revenue growth acceleration and stable margins. Last 6-9 months, we haven't seen that. I think Q4 guidance is the first step towards that. If we see one more quarter like Q4, probably that's when we see execution is back in Snap, and now they're actually acting like an adult company.
Actually acting like an adult company. And maybe the street agrees with you in terms of lack of really runaway enthusiasm here, because the shares, which immediately went up a lot, still up a lot, but that gain is fading a little bit.